I love padded sports bras. They're more supportive and they simply look and fit better. And tops and dresses with built-in bras are great too. They're my go-to summer staple, but I hate washing them. I don't know who invented the padded sports bra, but I tell ya, I'd like to lock that person in a room with 100 laundry baskets, like this one, and make them sit there all day reinserting and debunching bra pads. You have to jam your hand into this tiny little slit and try to reposition the pads and smooth them out. It's next to impossible. I scoured the internet looking for a solution, and all I found were hundreds of other women with the same problem, but no fix. I tried everything I could think of. Lingerie bags and every sort of clip I could find. Clothespins, chip clips, photo clips, even a binder clip. Nothing had both the surface area and the strength to keep pads in place in the wash, as well as a design that wasn't going to ruin my clothes or my washing machine. So I decided to turn anger into innovation, and that's how Bra PadLockers was born. You need only one Bra PadLocker per garment. You simply fold, clip, wash, and wear. First, fold your garment in half. Then, extend the arms of the Bra PadLocker so that you can use them to open and close the clip. Place the clip directly on top of the slits into the bra pad cavity, and then fold the arms back down, tucking them inside the clip so that they don't catch on anything in the wash. It's that simple. Your pads won't budge, even in the spin cycle. Now, after 2 years of designs, prototypes, and testing, we have our final product in hand and our patent, and we're ready to take Bra PadLockers to market. Our hope is that Bra PadLockers will be the solution that women worldwide have been looking for, and that they will become an essential add-on accessory for everything in your wardrobe that has a built-in bra. Life is too short to waste time wrestling with your bra pads. You should work up a sweat wearing your gear, not washing it.